Hello YouTube, welcome in my channel. Today I will show you how to know the number of RAM slots in your PC without opening it. Let's start. First right click on the taskbar and then choose Task Manager. Then after opening it, choose Performance on the top bar on that current window. After that, the Performance window will open. From there you have to choose Memory in your left side. Then you will see the number of RAM slots below the graph. In a place written slot used. From there you are done. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next Friday for more tutorials.